So I'm projecting they'll do about $6 billion, a little bit slightly over $6 billion of sales over the 2 days, and that's up from around $4 billion last year. And so to put that in perspective, I'm estimating Amazon will do about $350 billion in gross sales through GMV. So that's slightly less than 2% of total gross sales for the year, but it's so significant because I think what Prime Day really implies is that the benefits for Amazon is that Prime memberships will go up, and that should benefit the growth curve in the fourth quarter and beyond. I think they should have a little bit more sales of their private label products, sales of the Amazon branded products. I'm seeing a lot more of the Amazon ad units, so I think the ad growth decelerated somewhat in the first quarter. I think that should accelerate with Prime Day in the third quarter, so that's a positive as well. But ultimately, I think everyone agrees this will be a critical test for the one-day shipping service that Amazon is spending $800 million on.
Right, John. What would you argue is the first report card that we get out of Prime Day? Is it about memberships, or is it about speed of delivery, something else?
Yeah. Thanks, Carl. Yeah. So our data suggests, from our proprietary survey, a couple interesting data points around Prime Day. 44% of U.S. Prime households said that they're going to purchase something on Prime Day. That works out to about 30 million U.S. households purchasing. Then it's in 17 other countries. It's 48 hours this year versus 36 last year. So agree it's going to be incremental to revenue in the third quarter. And the other thing that's interesting is that 10% of non-Prime U.S. households per our data said that they would sign up for Prime to participate in Prime Day. That works out to about 5 million incremental households on top of the 63 million U.S. Prime households that we estimate going into Prime Day. So it's definitely Prime. It's definitely good for sub penetration. And we've seen, starting with Prime Day the last couple of years per our data, it kicks up the Prime penetration heading into the holidays. So that's a big part of Prime Day.